Hi, today I'm going to talk about cosmic. So, cosmic stands for Catalog of Somatic Mutation in Cancer. So, cosmic is the world's largest source of expert manually cured somatic mutation information related to human cancer. The outlines that data in terms of structure, content, and scope, making it easier to evaluate. So, as you can see, Cosmic consists of two projects, the Cosmic Database and the Cell Line project. So let's go to the Cosmic website and see how the data work. So this is the main screen of the Cosmic. The home page is pretty cool and it has the Cosmic News, the search tab, and the four different projects which has being run by Cosmic. So these four projects are the Cosmic and the Cell Line project and the Cosmic 3D, which gives you the 3D structure of the molecules and the genes, and the Cancer Gene Census, which gives the severity of the cancer depending on the tier 1 and tier 2 category. So let's try running the protein on the Cosmic. Let's try with ABL1, and this is how the search would end. So you will have your results and you can choose the perfect or the most simple protein you want to look. So this is what I'm gonna go for, and this is how the data on the Cosmic looks like. So you have multiple sections over here called Gene View, Overview, Internal Link, Drug Resistance, and everything. So here are the data on the whole gene which has been used. So let's go through it one by one. So let's talking about the gene. So here you can see the point mutations occurred in a protein. So these substitutions uh, is of a particular gene which has been seeing a variance in that, and you can just drag on the specific histograms to zoom in and zoom out and look for. Oh, yeah, here we go. It does take some time to load the whole thing, but this is how the whole view would look like once you do it. So this is the gene view. So it gives the information of the substitutions, the insertion, the deletion, the CNV gains and loss, overexpression, underexpression, and hyper and hypomethylation. So the next category will be our overview. In overview, you can see that you have the whole information of the gene, like the gene name, the synonym, and the cosmic 3D model of it. And the most important and the most curious thing is the hallmark gene over here. So let's try to click on the hallmark gene. So this is a hallmark of the gene which gives you like what are the things which are being promoted by this particular protein and what are being suppressed. Now this you can move it from the switch from the pie to chart mode, and these are all the functions which are being suppressed and promoted by this particular gene. And as you can see, there is a gene census over here. So this gene is bound to tier 1 category. So tier 1 is a gene which have been documented with activity towards cancer, and there is evidence towards it. So let's see how the cosmic 3D for this particular gene looks like. So here is the cosmic 3D, the 3D model of a particular gene. You can see the red point over here, which is the point mutation in this particular gene. So it gives you the whole data on this, like the misread mutation sequences and the whole data on the point mutations of this gene. And it also has the number of samples which has been used and the sequences of it. So this is how the overview looks like. It has the hallmark, the gene senses, the cosmic 3D, and the whole information of the gene. So moving on to the external links. So these are the sources where the data has been taken from. So there are multiple sources over here like Uniport, Ensemble, NCBI. And moving on to the uh, drug resistance. So this column gives you the drugs which are being has the resistance towards this particular gene, and here is the mutations occurred, the number of samples taken, and the whole data of it. So there is pretty much lot of data on Cosmic. And then there is the tissue distribution. Here it gives you like where the gene has been extracted, what was the, you know, the organ, how many samples was tested, and how many results they had. This is the whole data of, you know, how the gene works. And this is the most interesting part of Cosmic is it has its own genome browser. So the genome browser is the human genome browser 38 being used. So here you can switch between 38 to 37 uh, versions of it. So this is how the genome browser looks like, and it's huge. It's a human genome, the whole gary of it. You can just keep zooming it out, and you will find the whole human genome in this. And these are the mutation distribution section. In this, you have the pi and pi for the point mutations and the substitutions occurring in the specific samples which has been taken. So in this you can see there are a lot of mutations occurring, and there are insertion deletions in the sample. So the variance section gives you the whole data on the gene mutations. Like you can download this both in CSV and TSV formats. And the last section will be your references, like these are all of your the references towards the particular gene. So this is how the cosmic search for a specific gene looks like. And the good thing is you can change your genome browser between 37 to 38 at any point of time. So coming to the gene cancer census. So cancer gene census is divided into two categories. The first one is tier 2 and the tier 1. The tier 1 is a gene which has been noticed to form a cancer and there is evidence to it. And the tier 2 is a gene which causes cancer but there is not much evidence to it. So the cancer gene census looks like this. So it has the whole description of it and the whole data around the recent discovered mutations or the samples and uh, the research is going on in the cancer. So this is pretty much it about the cosmic, and you have this cosmic news column over here, which gives you the new details and the news around the cosmic and the research is going on. So right now, cosmic is using a version 90, which was released on 5th September 2019. And the cool part about Cosmic is all of this data is available for free. It is downloadable. You can just go with a GUI client or just download it to a CSV or TSV format. So this is how the Cosmic looks like. And thank you so much. You have a good day.